Right, turning your community into premium clients. Now, one of the core components behind the success of Apple or Kim Kardashian or even Iman Gadzhi or Elon Musk is a brand that they've been able to build for themselves. So you don't always buy these influencers or brands products because of the actual product, right? Like I would imagine a lot of these girls buying Kim Kardashian stuff. It's not because of the quality of the product, it's just because of her name. So you bought into the personal brand so much that anything they put out will become valuable to you. And they don't just sell products, they've built brands that people trust, admire, and want to be a part of. And your goal is to do the same with your community. So, number one, you build a powerful community. The more people join the group, the more valuable your group becomes, right? The more valuable your group, the more people want to join. It's like, wanting um, having to have experience before a job and then needing a job before getting experience it's similar to that. It's like a vicious cycle. And then since it's not about you anymore, people can join to learn and get support from other members. So it's like a little flywheel effect. Nothing is better than creating a brand while still converting a small percentage of your audience into sales. Now you can also add your current premium clients, people who've paid you 10, 15, 20K to your community. And this makes it more valuable as new members see social proof. Now, lack of value is the number one reason that makes your community die. So always, always, always continuously provide value. Number two is community clients. When someone joins your private community, they're essentially making a vote. They're voting on the fact that they are at least interested. If not, they want whatever outcome you're promising, right? Or they want to think about that outcome at least actively. Therefore, everyone who joins, as long as they can afford your solution and are actually within your target market, is almost guaranteed to be qualified. Now, in certain cases, you can use lead magnets, opt-in pages to capture email addresses before or upon community entry. And this allows you to communicate with members outside the community platform and, eventually nurture them into buyers. Number three is establish yourself as an authority. Now, when people see you interacting with others in a community, they're more likely to see you as an authority figure, right? They think this person knows his stuff. It's not just about saying you're an expert. It's about showing it, solving people's problems, so other people within that community can watch. People buy from those they trust and respect. Your community clients need to know you're the real deal. That's why I focus on becoming a thought leader in my space, in the sales marketing space. I'm constantly putting out content. You guys can check me out on IG, Facebook, whatever, LinkedIn, YouTube. You're watching it here. Videos, posts, webinars, emails, share my knowledge and insights all the time. And it goes beyond content too, right? It's about getting out there and engaging, leveraging social media to share your expertise, jumping into relevant online communities and discussions, networking, collaborating with other experts, testimonials, case studies, proof, all that good stuff. These things make you an authority figure. When trust is high, selling becomes effortless. Number four, grow and drive traffic to your community. A successful community constantly attracts new members. An unsuccessful one will just stagnate. So it's important to drive traffic, whether it's from your friend list on Facebook or IG, your followers, leveraging other audiences, simply sharing the link in your feed, your LinkedIn, IG, Facebook stories everywhere, from YouTube, or just run ads. And one of the things that we started doing recently, anyone not qualified or ready for your premium service, 10, 20, 30K, you're running an ad for, can be redirected to your community to be nurtured for a future premium client, right? So this way you're not wasting your ad spend either, anyone that you're not converting. A thriving community is a pipeline of high quality leads. And number five, you convert members into premium clients. After focusing on the main thing, which is providing value and growing your audience, your next focus is to get into your members' requests, right? Start a conversation with them, find out what they need, book them on a sales call as soon as possible without coming off spammy. Like, don't try to book them day one. Solve some problems for them and then try to book them, or simply share with them a video that does solve their problem and then offer a 15-minute chat to sort of help them implement that thing you just solved for them. And that's it for this one. Hopefully you guys got some sauce out of this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.